One of the main reasons why people start up businesses is to make more money and earn a living from it. If you're a fashion designer and you're not making enough money that can meet your daily needs, this is going to make the job very tiring and frustrating for you. Yes, it's going to make you hate the job. It's going to make you to start looking for other means of making more money as a fashion designer. Whereas there are people buying cars from this same business and they are doing absolutely well. Being broke is so bad. There are so many fashion designers out there that solely depend on clients making dresses before they can make more money. They don't have any other side hustle apart from sitting down on their sewing machine and sewing all day long. So when client does not bring dresses for them to sew, that period of time they will be so broke and there will be nothing for them. If you are in this category, then this video is for you. And this side hustles does not just add to your streams of income, it is also going to help you to expand your brand, help you to build a very strong online network, and also opens you up to collaboration and sponsorship deals. So if you're a fashion designer that desires to make more money from your skill, this video is for you. Hi guys, you're welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be doing something different aside how to cut and how to sew. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 other ways you can make more money as a fashion designer. Having one stream of income in this time and era is very risky. It's very risky. If you are tired of being broke and you want to make more money from your skill, please keep on watching. The number one way to make more money as a fashion designer is by selling of tailoring materials and fabrics. All you need to do is to learn the business, get a good source that will give you the materials at a wholesale price that when you sell, you can make profit from it. Before venturing into this business, I will advise you learn from an experienced person so you don't run at a loss. You can start selling things like linings, zipper, buttons, and you can also add fabrics to it, selling Ankara prints and all that to make more money as a fashion designer. Doing this business does not mean that you should stop sewing completely. No, you can learn this business and add it to your sewing skill, or if you have the means, you can learn this business, set it up, and employ someone to help manage the business while you focus on sewing. So it is important you have another stream of income so that when one stream of income fails, you can fall back to something and you will not be totally broke when such things happen. For instance, Style by Remy, she is a big YouTuber that earned very well on YouTube. But recently, I saw her posting about fabrics. She now sells fabric, and because she is known, people are already placing order for it. That is another stream of income for her. So you can also consider doing this as a side hustle alongside your sewing. Now, moving on to number 2. The number 2 way to make more money as a fashion designer is by selling of kiddies wears. Christmas is around the corner and the demand for children wears is going to be on the rise. So I will advise you learn how to make these dresses, and when that period comes, you're going to make cool money from it. You can make simple dresses like the ones you see being displayed on the screen. Some of these dresses don't take a lot of time. It doesn't even require much for you to make, and you're going to make cool money from doing that. The kiddies niche in the fashion industry is not as saturated as other niche. Most fashion designers are focused on making dresses for adults, not children. So considering this as a side hustle is going to add to your stream of income as a fashion designer. The number 3 way to make more money as a fashion designer is by teaching or tutoring. If you love to teach, it's time to monetize that skill. You can organize workshop, you can organize holiday sewing class, you can even organize weekend classes. So when you have 1 or 2 persons that enroll for these classes, they pay you for your services, and it's going to be another stream of income for you. If you even have the time, you can do one-on-one classes for people and you charge them for your services. People are going to pay. There are many people out there that desire to learn how to cut and sew, but because they don't have enough time on their hands to start going to classes every day, they just hold back. But when you organize weekend classes or you organize one-on-one classes for people, you will get people that will subscribe to it and you will get paid for your services. So if you love to teach, it's time to monetize that skill. And also, if you don't want to do weekend classes or organize workshop, you can consider doing online classes where you make tutorial videos and you put it out there for sale for people to buy and learn from your skill. If you have noticed of recent, there are so many online classes out there. There are beginner classes, there is advanced classes, we have the intermediate classes, we have corset class, we have Ashrabi class, we have so many of them out there. And the trending one now is the overboss corset. You can make your videos, you fix a price to it, and you put it out there, and people are going to buy, and it is going to serve as another stream of income for you. So it's time for you to stop giving excuses and start being creative. The number four way to make more money as a fashion designer is to start up a YouTube channel or a fashion blog. Yes, you can start up a YouTube channel where you post sewing tutorials, sewing tips, process video, get ready with me videos, and all that. This is going to put you out there for the world to see what you are made of. Have you ever wondered why Vicky James still put herself out there and share how she makes some dresses, the process, how she sources for fabric online? She's very active on TikTok. She's very active on Facebook. She's very active on Instagram. She's very active on YouTube. So the social media is going to open you up to a wider audience. It's time for you to get up and start being creative. Learn how to edit videos, how to edit picture, how to change background, how to do all this to make your business look good out there. And starting a YouTube channel or a fashion blog does not only benefit your audience, you're also going to benefit from it. You might be wondering how. Don't worry, I'm going to explain it for you. So, if you have a YouTube channel or you have a fashion blog with high followers or subscribers, it's going to open you up to collaboration and sponsorship deal. Other brands are going to reach out to you to partner with you. For instance, Styled by Remy, she is one of the face of Volantes Fabric. Yes, and they pay her for being one of the face of Volantes Fabric. That is another stream of income for her. And how did they get to know her? It was through her YouTube channel. She was just doing her thing, she was using that fabric, and boom, they got to see it, and she became one of the face of the company, and she's being paid handsomely for that. Aside getting collaboration and sponsorship deal, once you grow your channel to the level of it being monetized, you get paid for every ad that is being displayed on your channel, be it Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. That is another stream of income for you. And also, you can sell your courses, you can sell your products through your channel. Once you have built a very strong online community and people know you, that this is what you do, you are not a scammer. Once you put a product out there for sale, people are going to buy and you will make more money from that. I can also do affiliate marketing by selling other people's products. You can make more money through that also. So it's time for you to consider starting up a YouTube channel or being active on all the social media platforms. Facebook has been monetized in Nigeria. So if you're a Nigerian, you can grow your Facebook page and get monetized and start earning from it. It's high time you stop going online to go and watch other people make more money. It's time for you to make more money through this same social media where people are busy cashing out. And the number five way to make more money as a fashion designer is by selling of handmade accessories. Handmade accessories like turbans, headbands, bag, tote bag, and all that. You can learn those things, you can make them, and you can put it out there for people to buy. For instance, turban. If you are a female, you can make beautiful designs of the caps, you take pictures of them, you post them on social media, and people will buy. And also, whenever you're going out, you can go out with them and you can market your product. While marketing your product out there, you can also tell those customers that you make dresses and they get to know what you are doing in that process. One thing I love about all this handmade accessory is that it does not consume time and you will need less fabrics to make all those things. All you need to do is to learn it well and start making more money from it. So guys, here we have it. These are the five ways you can make more money as a fashion designer. So if you are tired of being broke, it's time for you to sit up, be creative, and start looking for other ways you can make more money as a fashion designer. I'm a fashion designer. I started my YouTube channel last year. It has been monetized and it has been another stream of income for me. So it's time for you to say no to the excuses, be creative, and start making more money as a fashion designer. So if you have tried any of these side hustles I mentioned in this video, please kindly let me know about it in the comment section. If there is any other side hustle you know of that was not mentioned in this video, you can also drop it in the comment section so that we can learn together and grow together in this industry. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also drop a comment. So thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye bye.